Hello children. So in the last class what we have learned? We have learned about different parts of plants that we take as food. Right? The flowers that we eat, the leaves that we eat. Right. Now today we are going to learn about a new concept, that is germination. What is it? Germination. Say it louder. Germination. And what is it spelling? Germination. You should by heart all spellings. It's very important. Okay. So germination of seed. What do you mean by seed? Have you seen seed? Seed പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? വിത്ത്. Have you seen coconut growing, coconut sprouting, mango sprouting from mango seed? Have you seen? No. I'll tell you what is germination. Germination is the growth of seed into a young plant or sapling. What is the meaning of sapling? A young plant, right? So from the seed, a young plant grows out, right? A seed from seed, the seed grows into a young plant or a young sapling or a sapling. Sapling means young plant, and this process is called germination. But germination, what is germination? It is the growth of seed into a young plant or sapling. It is the growth of seed into a young plant or sapling. You should by heart this also. What is germination? Okay. See, can you see this picture? You can see that there is a small seed in the first images of a small seed. Then what happens to the seed under favorable conditions? What are the favorable conditions? In order to grow, the seeds requires what? Water is required. Then after growing, it requires sunlight. It requires nutrients, etc. Right? So here you can see that a small seed is growing into a plant or a young plant, a sapling. Can you see the stages? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, can you draw these 4 stages in your notebook? I know that you are all good artists, right? So you have to draw the various stages of germination. That is, a seed grows into a young plant and we call it germination. A seed grows into a young plant and we call this process germination. അപ്പോൾ ജെർമിനേഷൻ പറയുന്നതാണ് സീഡിൽ നിന്ന് ഒരു കുഞ്ഞു ചെടി ഉണ്ടാവുന്നു, യങ് പ്ലാന്റ് ഉണ്ടാവുന്നു അല്ലേ? അതിനെ നമ്മൾ എന്താ പറയുക? ജെർമിനേഷൻ എന്നാണ് പറയാം. ഓക്കെ. നോ, ക്യാൻ വി ഡു ആൻ എക്സ്പെരിമെൻറ്റ് ടു സീ ദി ജെർമിനേഷൻ ഓഫ് എ സീഡ്? ഒരു സീഡ് ജെർമിനേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് കാണാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് നമുക്കൊരു എക്സ്പെരിമെൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. എവറി വൺ ഓഫ് യു ഷുഡ് ഡു ദിസ് എക്സ്പെരിമെൻറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ. വാട്ട് യു ഹാവ് ടു ഡു ഇസ് പ്ലേസ് സം വെറ്റ് കോട്ടൺ ഇൻ എ ഗ്ലാസ് വെസൽ. ടേക്ക് എ ഗ്ലാസ് bowl. Okay, you may have a glass bowl in your home. So take a glass bowl and what you have to do is place some wet cotton. Cotton, you know what is cotton? Panni. Cotton എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? You have to wet it. Wet it means കുറച്ച് വെള്ളം തളിക്കുക. നനവുള്ള കോട്ടൺ വെക്കണം. അതിനകത്തേക്ക് നമ്മൾ what you have to do, put 3 or 4 pea seeds in it. Put 3 or 4 pea seeds ഇടുക. പയർ വിത്തുകൾ ഒരു 3-4 എണ്ണം. What you have to do, you have to put it in that tumbler. Is that clear? So what you have to do first, you have to take a glass vessel and put 3 or 4 pea seeds in it, and you have to observe it daily. Every day you go and see and make sure that you wet it. Don't forget to wet the cotton daily. You have to wet that cotton daily. You have to pour some water in that cotton every day. Okay, because water is required for the growth of this seed, or moisture is required for the growth of the seed. So make sure that you put a little water in that cotton every day. You have to observe it daily. Observe the changes in the pea seed. You can see that the pea seeds changes. What are the changes that you can see? You can see that a small sprouting. You can see small sprouting. A young plant is coming out of that, right? In that seed, you can see what is the name of the process? It is germination. You can see the seed germinate, right? So everyone should do this experiment. This is your today's activity. Go take a glass tumbler. Take some wet cotton. Okay, take some cotton and wet it. Okay, pour some water in it. Then keep 3 or 4 pea seeds in that bowl. And water that bowl daily and observe the changes. And write the changes in your science notebook. Okay, if possible. What happened to your pea seed? You can write it in your science diary or whatever. You should do this activity for sure. And you should send that picture to me. Okay, your glass bowl and that growth of pea seeds, you have to send the picture to me. Okay, will you do that? So today we studied what is germination. Then what is germination? It is the growth of a seed into a new plant or a young plant or sapling, right? And we studied the different stages of germination. You have to draw this 4 pictures in your science notebook, in your EVS notebook, and here you should do this experiment. What you have to do, take a glass tumbler, put some wet cotton and put some 3 or 4 pea seeds in it and see what are the changes that happens to the seed. You should see the changes happening to the seed, and you can take it, note it down in your notebook. Okay, is that clear? Okay, so that's all.